Guys, let's go around the history of Reyna del Cielo Subdivision. Is a residential area located in Barangay San Vicente, within the municipality of Bato, Camarines Sur, Philippines. The subdivision is situated near the town proper of Bato, providing residents with convenient access to local amenities and services. San Vicente is a barangay in the municipality of Bato, in the province of Camarines Sur. Its population as determined by the 2020 census was 6,711. This represented 12.87% of the total population of Bato. As of the 2020 census, Barangay San Vicente has a population of 6,711 residents. The area is part of the Bicol Region and is known for its proximity to Lake Bato, a notable natural feature in the municipality. Specific historical records detailing the establishment and development of Reyna del Cielo Subdivision are limited. For more comprehensive information, local municipal records or the Barangay San Vicente office may provide additional insights. See you next, guys. Take care.